Hey my loves, welcome to a brand new vlog. It's graduation day. I just arrived at the venue. Well, we were so late you guys, but yeah, I did my makeup in the car. I hope it's not that bad. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys as we proceed. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. My outfit is from Shein, dresses from Shein, and shoes are from Shein as well. So guys, I just finished taking pictures. Like everyone is taking pictures. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I look so pretty. Yo, I look so gorgeous. Damn girl. So yeah guys, I'll catch up with you once we go inside. We're still taking pictures for now, so yeah, I'll see you. Yeah, gorgeous girl. Hi, Ian Mulisa graduates. So yeah, hi guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're seeing this beautiful chubby face and my dimples for the first time, my name is Lerato, also known as Miss Shante on Instagram, so please do follow me there. So yeah guys, I'm a graduate. I'm so happy. My dream finally came true, a young professionalness. So yeah guys, I don't want to waste time. I am rushing. I need to be somewhere. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me though. I'm not gonna tell you now. So before I leave, I just quickly want to show you guys what I got yesterday. I think I did show you guys a bit, but we have, guess what it is, but you already saw, you already know most of it. Yeah, so I got a new phone. I got a new phone, you guys, yesterday. I got the iPhone 14. Don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I got the new iPhone 14. It's black, midnight, they call it midnight. So yeah, we got a new phone, you guys. So let me not waste time and just unbox it with you guys. Hi.
Depuis the press of Zurich.
Are you happy?
Not yet.
Not yet. my loves, welcome to another day of this vlog. So yeah, it's currently 13:51. Oh my gosh, I'm lying. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got from Takealot, and then I'm also going to arrange my flowers with you guys because they've been sitting over there, but they are inside water. It's just that I never got a chance to put them properly in a vase. But yeah, let me show you first what I got from Takealot. So I hope you guys can see me properly. So this is what we got from Takealot. So let's see what is inside. But I already know what I got. This is just for you guys because Kilerata Masalval. So yeah, I placed my order on, when was it? Was it on a Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday? I don't know. I think on a Thursday. Yeah, on a Thursday. And then I received my order on Friday. Guys, I just bought my skin products actually. I also bought this essence banana powder. Yeah, I just want to try this one out and see how it's gonna look when I am baking my face. And then I also got my favorite Nivea hand lotion. I love this girl so much. Yo, I love her. Let me just moisturize my hands because they are so dry. They are so dry. So yeah, and then I also got my face wash, and then my face cream. Focus on the, yes. And I also got a serum. Guys, these things are so expensive, yo. They are so expensive. And then lastly, I got a book that I cannot wait to start reading. This one, I'm still reading the one Yagampumi, but I'm almost done. Yeah, like guys, let's arrange my flowers, and then yeah, I'll see what I'm gonna do after because I'm currently doing laundry. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. We might go to the mall, I'm not sure, but let's finish with the laundry first, and then we're gonna make a decision. I feel like the stems are a bit long. Do you guys see? Let me just go back a bit. But do you guys see what I'm trying to say? I feel like they're a bit long, but they look fine, you guys. They look fine. So yeah, I love my flowers so much. And a big shout out to my big sister. I really love these flowers. They're so gorgeous. Hey my loves, welcome to another day of this vlog. Today is the following day. Actually, I'm still wearing the same pajamas that I was wearing yesterday. Ningang judge, don't judge me, please. Don't come for me, okay? I only change my pajamas, guys, after 3 to 4 days, but maximum 4 days. So I don't know about you. If you change them every day, good for you, big ups to you. But Mina, I change them 3 to 4 days, after 3 to 4 days. So please guys, let me know in the comment section, would say how many times in a week do you change your pajamas? Is it once or every day, or you don't change them at all? You only change them after 7 days. But there's some people who wear pajamas for the whole week without changing them. Guys, we sweat at night, so you better change those pajamas, okay? Because your blankets are gonna parasiko lapo. So I got a delivery from the courier guy, so let's unbox together and see what is in here. Ngonyana ki Stenly, guys. Ngonyana ki Stenly, like original Stenly. I'm so happy, you guys. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. And I like the fact that this one exactly this one. I love it. I love it. See on Stenly. Ngonyana on a Stenly. So yeah, inside is just the straw, and yeah, just this. But I'm gonna be using this in my men's new car. I'll use this in my men's new car, okay? So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. So happy, okay, babes. So yeah, this is what I got. Let us continue with our vlog, guys. So yeah, I'm currently doing laundry. I was doing laundry yesterday, so today cafe later, but I'm almost done. And then after that, I'm gonna clean the house, take a bath, and I don't know, I was thinking of going to the mall today because I didn't go yesterday as planned. But shakisho, guys, I'll just have to see how my things go. So yeah, my loves, that is it. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and yeah, share the videos with your loved ones as well. So yeah, guys, I'll see you whenever I decide to pick up the camera again, okay?